Spacious two-family unique home. Features 8 rooms in master home with hardwood floors in living room, dining room, updated kitchen with sliders to yard, laundry room, den and fireplace also on main floor. Second floor with hardwood floors has MSTR bedroom with 1/2 bath plus 2 additional bedrooms and full bath. The apartment on first floor has 4 rooms, large living dining room, full bath and large bedroom. The basement has a separate entrance with 3/4 bath and separate electric meter and gas meter. The home has baseboard heating throughout. Additional features include 2-car garage, large yard and 3 electric meters and 3 gas meters. Solar power for main home. Great home to entertain. Express bus around the corner, shopping and restaurants close by.